Hello and welcome to How to Survive Math Classes by Mathgasm. Please visit mathgasm.net for more videos. Alright, step one is first you read your book and follow on the examples. So what you do is you look at your examples for each little subsection and you follow along with it. And you just follow the outline steps and take mini notes of each section and observe the rules and definitions. Remember, in math classes, definitions are your friends because it will tell you how the problem works. And of course, practice all assigned homework problems. The majority of math students don't usually like to practice their math problems since A, it doesn't interest them, or B, it's boring or frustrating, but we have to bite the bullet and do all assigned homework problems and also maybe do them twice. Now, if you're stuck, what you want to do is you look at a problem and you try to look for a similar example. So you go and look on YouTube, Stack Exchange in the math section, or other question and answer sites, or in your book like examples. So then you will reattempt the problem and try to find the error. Even if you're stuck, sometimes it'll just take a little bit of stare at it time, but if you're still stuck, even like after 15 minutes to an hour, depending on the level of the problem, then you visit the professor's office hours and you will ask him what you're stuck in, show him your work you attempted. He'll be more than glad to help you. And always ask questions. Or in class, tell them about your homework problem, because they usually have a question and answer section. Then, if you're still stuck and you still need time, go to your tutoring center or hire a private tutor. Now, if you're in high school, Mathnasiums or the Civil Learning Center is another way. Or find the A student in your class and arrange some trade, maybe payment, or tutor him in something that you're good at that he is not. And use your online resources like YouTube, like Mathgasm, to find a similar problem. And also visit question and answer sites like the Stack Exchange for your topic, and also reread your section for your assigned problems, because sometimes just reading it over, it might click. Now, this is how you master problems. First is you practice, practice, practice. For many math classes, make index cards and put your homework problems on the back of them with the answers on the opposite side. What I do is I mix them up and I put them in a big box. Then I do like about 5 to 10 a day and stack them randomly. So by the time you get to your section test, you should be pretty much good to go on the mathematical concepts. And for finals, you're going to do the same thing. And also look at all key formulas and definitions, because that's how you're going to pass a class. Because remember, definitions are your friends, and formulas, you're going to have to memorize them most of the time. Also, do not become calculator dependent, because dependence on the calculator for solving your answers will bite you in the butt in the end. And also, go to office hours if you have questions, or ask a tutor, or visit a reference site. There's many places on YouTube to get an example problem for most mathematical concepts up to Calc 3 and differential equations. And below that, there should be many video sites. Passing the test after daily practice and randomizing the index cards, then we must start memorizing key formulas. Write them out over and over again. Then you practice several problems of the same type. And remember, get good amount of sleep, maybe 6 to 8 hours. Don't cram or do all-nighters. That's just going to hurt you more than anything, because I admit I have done it before and it didn't turn out too well. And then you want to eat a good lunch or breakfast prior to the test. And the night before the test, just chill, relax, because before that you have already studied, done the index cards, memorize the formulas, you could probably just look at it for like an hour and just a slight review. But on that, just take it easy and just get a good night's sleep. Now, there's common excuses like math is too hard. It's not that bad, but you must know the rules in the given class to master the subjects. Mostly, it's people that are frustrated towards the subject matter and they don't get the help that they need or ask the questions. Another one is I hate math. That's common for someone that has not received positive feedback. Like when you fail a test or frustrated with this particular subject matter, you're naturally not going to procrastinate it because, well, it's a pain to get messed with. But you just have to get over that hump. Just come with a good attitude and do the classes. And of course, at one time had a hard time, just like many of y'all, in many math classes, and I managed to get into the senior in the mathematics department as a math major. And I will graduate this semester. Success in mathematics requires hard work and dedication. Even if it doesn't click at first, just keep on persevering, and you'll eventually get to it. Please like, comment, or subscribe if you like my videos. Also, please visit mathgasm.net because I'm a new YouTube site, so we need more subscribers. And also, if you have trouble in a topic, feel free to comment, and I will try my best to get to it. And thank you very much for listening to my video.